Here's how to use InVideo AI for free. Go to invideo.io and click Sign Up. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here you can type your prompt. Describe your video idea here. The more text you put, the better. For example, I typed to create a short video in cartoon style. Plus, I added a lot of my ideas of how should the video look like. After you are done creating the text, click on the button, generate a video. Then you will have to pick the basic attributes like duration, audiences, and platform. Here I picked 2 minutes, audiences, sci-fi fans, and platform, YouTube Shorts. Then click on the continue button. And now is the magic happening. If you are a busy person, you can click on notify when ready button. But I can speed up the video for you. And that's it. Our video is generated. Let's say we want to do some changes. Click on the edit button. Here you can pick B-rolls, music, and scripts and set up some settings. You can even upload your own files and media. Just play with the buttons and find the best settings for you. Now let's download the video. Click on the download button. Then we'll show up this download setting. Pick the settings you like. If you want no watermarks on the video, you will have to pay. And that's it. If you have any questions regarding the video or you want to promo code, let me know down in the comments.